not always rainy, is it?
Hi everyone, welcome to Nomad Outside the Box. I'm really excited to have you with me. Today I want to talk to you about rainy season in Costa Rica. It's super important to know that, like today, it's a beautiful day, and this is usually the case every single day. So what happens is that sometimes it rains early in the morning, not always, and then most of the time there's heavy rain at night or storms. But that usually happens when you're having dinner and you're super exhausted and you just want to rest somewhere inside. So usually you're super safe. Sometimes it's like this, but sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's like that. I'm currently on my kitchen floor because there's a storm that just passed. It's a little bit better, it's going away, but I'm really scared of storms. It's a phobia since I was a kid. My instincts really tell me to run away and just hide somewhere. It's been better since I've been here because there's been a lot of storms at night, and so I'm getting a little bit more used to it. Oh my god, this was so close! Oh, fuck! Oh my god. Ugh. I'm gonna be alright. Having a phobia doesn't make you less valid or less courageous. I'm a strong person in life, and I have discovered when my phobia takes over, I'm brave enough to acknowledge it and live it. Man, there's like ants in my hands. I'm shaking from everywhere. I'm gonna be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, it's like a bomb launches when it's so close. It's like so loud. When it happens, it's just like a rush of adrenaline. It's like my body can't. I'm gonna be fine, I'm gonna be fine, I'm gonna be fine, I'm gonna be fine, I'm gonna be fine. Phobia, right here. This doesn't happen often. It's the second time it happened since I arrived. Tyler, if you're watching this, you're gonna laugh so much. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about Tyler while I'm de-stressing right here. I met Tyler in downtown Montezuma Hostel. He's a really, really cool dude from Alberta. He just taught me that while you're traveling, if you're a nomad, he taught me that this is your lifestyle, and so you have to take care of yourself. Like if you cook food or stuff like that, cook food as if you were cooking food at home, because that's what you're gonna eat. That's your life. This is so close. Sorry for swearing, but man, I hope this is gonna go away soon, but usually it doesn't last that long, so should be fine. I wanted to tell you, if you're scared of storms or you're doubting whether or not you should come because of rainy season, I encourage you to really come here. Don't stop yourself from coming because of rainy season, because it's not raining all the time. So come here! I actually have really good stories about storms, so I'm gonna tell you. Oh shit. So, fun fact, I'm editing right now, and this is happening. Yep, I'm editing that very video. I'm just gonna live it and acknowledge it, and I'm gonna be fine.